Si Laila guys, she's awake. Hello guys! Update tayo sa ating tummy. After 1 week. So after 1 week giving birth, so mayroon pa tayong kunting tiyan guys. May postpartum tayo. Ayan. Pero mawawala din naman to guys. Balik din tayo sa normal. So, na maliit yung ating tummy. Oo. Pero merong iba no, na wala din sila. Pero nag-search ako dito sa Google ba? Kasi syempre, para akong nag-aalala din. So, it's normal lang naman. Parang mayroon pa daw, parang natira na parang 6 months siya tingnan, kumbaga. So, it's normal lang naman to guys. At bago pa lang din naman tayo nanganak. Mga 1 week pa lang. Mga, I think mga 7 or 8 days, mga ganyan pa lang after giving birth. So, yan guys, okay lang yan siya. Huwag nyo akong i-bash kung mayroon pa tayong konting tiyan dito. Normal lang naman to guys. At mayroon din iba na wala din. So, ako hindi ko alam, no? Yan. Malaki din kasi yung baby ko. So, 3 kilos yun. At saka, matangkad siya. So, ayan. Kaya parang malaki yung ano ng bahay bata, kumbaga. Ito yung tinatawag daw nila na bahay bata. Ayan. Yung bahay bata. Yun yung sinearch ko sa Google eh. Bahay bata, kumbaga, kasi malaki yung baby ko rin. So, ayan. So, dati sa panganay ko, guys, maliit lang din siya, kasi maliit yung baby ko noon. So, ngayon, malaki yung baby ko, medyo malaki yung naiwan. So, huwag nyo akong i-bash, kasi nagpapagaling pa lang tayo. Yan, guys. See you guys on my next vlog. Hi guys, good morning. So si Laila guys is natulog na siya. So, mayroon siyang nap guys, and now it's time for us to have some breakfast. So, hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos guys. So, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Kasi ganyan na si Laila guys, every time na magising yan siya ng morning, and then after, padidiin ko muna siya, and then magising siya, yan. So, while natulog siya guys, let's have some toast. And yun na yung breakfast guys na ginagawa ko. So, magkakaroon tayo guys ng ating body postpartum. So, now is 7 months na si Laila. So, yan guys yung ating gagawin for today. And by the way guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, so shout out to some of my friends in US, like Bali family, Velasquez and Ili Nieva. So yan. So thank you guys for watching guys, and always connect me here. So yan guys, yung ating body postpartum is since after I give birth, and until now 7 months now. So let's see how it changed my body. So actually guys, before I got pregnant, so my weight is like 43 kilos only. So that's my normal body weight. So since I got pregnant guys, so before I gave birth, my body weight is 75. So 75 guys. So I struggle guys how to lose my body pregnancy fats. So it takes time, and now I think it's okay now guys kasi medyo lumiit na yung ating tiyan. So let's see kung mayroon siyang ating changes, but hindi pa naman siya masyado guys kasi napapadidi pa ako. So hindi pa as in talaga totally guys bumabalik yung aking katawan. So let's see guys how it looks my body. Ito na guys yung tiyan ko. So let's guys, it's ready. So yan, it's ready. Lagyan ko lang siya ng ating butter. Actually guys, sometimes only this one I do that in the morning. Yan lang siya guys ang ginagawa ko tuwing morning. Minsan naglalagay ako ng butter, mostly not. Ayan. Nagpapainit lang ako guys ng ating mainit na tubig. So, mayroon lang akong ganito guys. Ito yung aking morning breakfast. So, yan. Morning breakfast ko guys. Ganito lang siya. Ito lang yung ginagawa ko. Mahilig ako na yung may bread, toast bread. Tapos, Milo lang ako guys. Ito lang yung Milo ko. Milo lang ako sa morning. Kasi itong Milo guys, nagpaparami ng gatas siya. Napansin ko guys, nagpaparami ng gatas. Ito lang yung aking morning breakfast. Yan. So, ito yung ginagawa ko guys every morning since nanganak ako. So, ganito lang yung ginagawa ko guys since morning. Yan. Then, lunch na. Medyo kumakain-kain na ako ng mga may sabaw-sabaw. And also sa dinner, ayan. Maaga kami kumakain pag dinner guys, mga 6. So later again guys, I will show you my morning. This one is my morning breakfast, and then later I will show you my lunch and night. Super mainit. Mamaya na ako guys maligo pagka gising ni Laila. Magayos ako maligo ako. Kasi ngayon pag iwanan ko siya, baka siya ay mahulog. Gagapang na naman siya guys sa labas ng bed. Si Laila guys, she's awake. So, ito si Laila. So, at the age of 7 months guys, Laila got her first tooth. So, she got guys, I think 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. When she is 6 months and 2 weeks. When she is 7 months and 2 weeks guys, she got her first tooth. And now guys, she got again. So she have 2 tooth already. Yay! May tooth na si Laila guys. Ayan. Dandahanin ko na siya. Go, bebek! What are you doing? Come on. So, mayroon na siyang tooth. Show me your tooth, bebe. Show me. Show me your tooth, be. Be, come on, be. Show me your tooth, we. Show me your tooth. Show me your tooth. Show me your tooth. I told you. Open your mouth. Laila, adaling-galing-galing, andaling-galing, tigaling-galing-galing, dance, tigaling-galing-galing. Ayan na guys, tigaling-galing-galing, galalay-galing. Shisha. Why mommy filming? Tingaling-galing-galing, andaling-galing-galing. Sometimes guys, she doesn't like bow. Andaling-galing-galing. Ayan na guys, may na siya. Dalawa ng tit. Ang tooth ni Laila, tooth. Come on, open your mouth. Don't put all in one. Yeah, yan guys, meron na siyang tooth. Okay, careful. Come on, come baby, careful. So that's it guys. Ayan. Yung first tooth ni Laila. So nagising na siya guys. So yun guys yung aking ginawa pag morning. So sometimes yung aking ginagawa guys is fruits. Morning mag fruits lang ako or mag bread. So maraming fruits dito guys. Maraming fruits. Yun yung aking breakfast sometimes. Yeah. Okay baby. Thank you guys for watching. So ito guys, this is my lunch. So my lunch is fruits. This is what I did. Fruits and yan with cream guys. So that's my lunch. Lunch for today. So alternate every day. Yeah.